Hey everybody, this is Tyrone Lister. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Listen, I've got a question for you. Do you want your 2013 to be a year of extreme success? I know you do. We put together a dynamic event that's called the Financial Success Intensive. And it's a teleseminar, which means you can call in from wherever you are around the world. It's 90 minutes of pure content where you can learn from the masters who have mastered success. Let me give you the lineup that we put together. First of all, it's Dr. Shirley Clarke. Dr. Clarke is the CEO and founder of Clarke's Consulting Group. She's also a master marketer, and she's going to teach us about the marketing mechanism. Also, we have Dr. Renee Hornbuckle, who is the founder of Renee Hornbuckle Ministries, and she's experienced success as a mega pastor and success in different areas of life. And she's going to teach us about the ministry mechanism. Now, if you're in ministry, you don't want to miss that section. Also, we have Dr. Rodney Dennis. Dr. Dennis is the owner and CEO of Dennis Enterprise. He's also a life coach and a dynamic thought leader. He's going to teach us about the marketplace mechanism. So if you're in business or you aspire to start a business, this is definitely the segment that you want to be a part of. We also have Miss Yvette Monroe. Yvette is the CEO of Covenant Community Partners, which is a dynamic organization that she oversees many employees and manages millions of dollars a year. And she's going to teach us about the management mechanism. You don't want to miss that section. Next is Mr. Prentice Sanders. Prentice is the CEO and founder of Personal Financial Management Services. And he's going to come and talk to us about the money mechanism. Now, this section you don't want to miss. Everybody can be a part of this section right here. Now, I'm going to come and wrap it up, and I'm going to talk about the movement mechanism, where how you bring it all together, how you apply it to your life, where you can experience extreme success in 2013. Now listen, you must register for this conference even though it is a teleconference. So I'm going to give you the instructions right now. You can register online at www.financialsuccessintensiveus for the United States at eventbrite.com or .eventbrite.com. I know it's long. I'm going to give it to you again. www.financialsuccessintensiveus.eventbrite.com. You can also go to my Facebook page and look on the event sections of my page and find the link to the website there. You can also find the link to my page at tyronelister.com, and you can register there as well. It's said that people that want to be successful must learn to pour their purse into their head and invest in themselves first. This is a dynamic opportunity for you to invest in yourself to experience the success that you desire. It's also said that poor people entertain themselves and rich people educate themselves. We put together an event that will help you educate yourself and learn from the masters who have mastered success, where you can experience extreme success in 2013. I look forward to talking to you on the call. Meet me there.